Three of our four East Coast games are coming out the gate in the first 5 weeks. So you got New England on the road, Washington on the road, and you got Indianapolis on the road in the first 5 games. The last East Coast game will be Philadelphia. So that's a positive in this season. Only 4 East Coast games. Now, we talk about East Coast. Hold on, we're not done yet. So we got 4 East Coast games. Now, the other question about an East Coast game is what time of year is it because of the weather? New England plays outside, Washington plays outside, Indianapolis is inside, so it doesn't make a difference. But Washington and New England will be warm games because they're early in the season. Both of those games are in September. So we'll get 2 out of the 4 East Coast games out the way, out the gate, and they will be warm weather outdoor games. So the elements won't be an issue, whether it's rain or snow. It won't be that in September. Indianapolis, it's an East Coast game, but once again, they're indoors, so that is not going to be a concern when it comes to weather. And that's the 3, and then Philadelphia, it will be a cold game. But we'll break down how many of those we got. Another stat that you want to see with the East Coast games is 4, which will be week 1 New England, week 3 Washington, week 5 Indianapolis, and week 15 Philadelphia. You have 11 indoor games this year, and you have 3 cold weather games this year. The cold weather games will be the Denver Broncos in November 6th, Philadelphia Eagles December 14th, and you will have Texas, which around in December. Texas will be cold, but not as cold as the East Coast in Houston. So, and those are outside games. The reason why I mentioned those. So those are outdoor games, but outdoor cold weather games. We have 11 indoor games. That is a big difference in what we're gonna do this year. Indoors and the aspect of cold weather games, I think, will be a factor. But I think our advantage, I know our advantage out of the 17 games we got this year, 11 of those games are indoor.